I do everything I can to be the best person I could possibly be. I want to live at all times with love and kindness in my heart. I do not want to judge other people. I want to love them. I want to be honest. I want to be fair. I want to be supportive. I meditate. I journal. I go to workshops. I work on myself constantly to be the best person I can be. And I screw up all the time. I hurt people, right? I gossip. I put people down. I give people barbs. I am, human, like most people, right? Now it's a lot less than it used to be because I do all that work and I'm conscious, so I try not to, but it happens. And my guess is it happens to you too, right? Especially with your significant other. We hurt the people that are closest to us almost all the time. But at work, under those fluorescent lights, with the pressure that you're dealing with the fears, with the self consciousness, with the ambition, all that stuff, with the misunderstandings, you're going to screw up. You're going to make mistakes. You're going to not be emotionally intelligent. You're not going to be at your best. But the cool thing is, there's a remedy here. And I'm going to the AA 12 and 12, 12 steps and 12 traditions of Alcoholics Anonymous. The 10th step helps alcoholics figure out how to live their lives in a way that they can fix the things that are wrong or the things that they did wrong in that day. Because we make it in AA and in most 12-step programs, what happens is you take an inventory of the wrongdoings that you've done to people, and then you go make an amends to all those people. But what do you do with the days after that? After you make all the amends, how do you handle that stuff? 10 steps says continue to take a personal inventory, and when we were wrong, promptly admitted it. Continue to take a personal inventory, and when we were wrong, promptly admitted it. Continuing to take a personal inventory means taking time to go over your day to figure out, yeah, and in your body, you can feel it when you've screwed up, when you've made a mistake with someone and something needs to be cleaned up. So take that inventory, figure out, what did I say? Did I hurt someone's feelings? Did I give someone some criticism because I wanted to help them, but it was actually a barb? Like, think about those things because we carry those with us. Now, when we were wrong, promptly admitted it. And then what happens is you go make amends. You figure out how to be honest, how to be loving, and how to fix the situation. How do you make it better? And often we have to ask. It's funny. I had a client was kind of talking behind another colleague's back, and the other colleague found out about it. And my client wanted to say, I didn't really mean what I said. And I said, that's bullshit. You meant it. You said it behind their back. You meant it. You have to be honest. So when you go back, you got it. You got to man up, woman up, whatever you need to do. You have to be honest and go to the person and say, I did this. I was wrong. This is what my motivation was, and how can I fix this for you? How can I make this better? And I will be better in the future. You have to go make that amends. I remember way back when, before even texting, I got an email from someone who was doing work for us in one of my organizations, and there were about 25 people on the email thread, and the guy was kind of a jerk that sent the email. I sent an email back to my engineer, said so and so is lacking in human relation skills. Uh, I sent it to everybody. I sent it to everybody, 25 people. The first thing I did was I grabbed the phone, called him, said, when you look at your email, you're going to see that I said this. And he said, fair enough. I am kind of rough. We had a friendship after that. Like I stood up, I took responsibility for it. I said what I said, and I apologize for that. So we have the 10 step, taking an inventory, and when you're wrong, promptly admit it and go make amends, make it better. You can't be perfect. You're gonna screw up. Expect it, and just know you can fix it. If have you ever noticed that if someone screws up with you and they honestly try to make it right, and they honestly feel, you can feel in their heart that contrition, don't you trust them a little bit more? I know I do. So go forth, go live your life. And if you screw up, fix it. Love you. Have a great rest of the day.